Hi everyone. Welcome back to Speak English Basics. My name is Alex.
And I'm Emma. Today, we're diving into a topic that helps you express yourself better. English vocabulary for describing emotions.
Emotions are a big part of our daily lives, and knowing how to describe them can make your conversations more meaningful.
By the end of this lesson, you'll know how to describe your feelings, understand others, and even use emotional words in sentences.
Let's get started.
First, let's understand what emotions are. Emotions are feelings like happiness, sadness, anger, or fear.
Emotions can be positive, like joy, or negative, like frustration.
Learning these words will help you express how you feel in English.
Let's start with positive emotions, feelings that make us happy or excited. Happy.
The most common word is happy. Example: I feel happy when I spend time with my family.
Synonyms for happy include joyful, content, excited.
Example sentences: She looks joyful today because she got good news. I'm content with my work. Excited.
Excited means you're really looking forward to something. Example: I'm excited about the trip next week.
Other words include thrilled, ecstatic.
Examples: He was thrilled to win the competition. She was ecstatic when she saw her favorite singer. Grateful.
When you feel thankful, you say you're grateful. Example: I'm grateful for your help.
Synonyms include thankful, appreciative.
Now, let's talk about negative emotions, feelings that might make us uncomfortable or sad. Sad.
The most basic word is sad. Example: I feel sad when it rains all day.
Synonyms include upset, heartbroken.
Examples: She was upset because she lost her phone. He felt heartbroken after the argument. Angry.
Angry is a common emotion when something makes you upset or annoyed. Example: He was angry because someone took a seat.
Synonyms: mad, frustrated.
Examples: I feel mad when people are rude. She was frustrated because the computer wasn't working. Scared.
When you feel afraid, you can say you're scared. Example: I'm scared of spiders.
Other words include frightened, terrified.
Examples: He looked frightened during the thunderstorm. She was terrified when she saw the snake.
Some emotions are not completely positive or negative. Let's look at those. Confused.
Confused means you don't understand something. Example: I'm confused about this math problem.
Synonyms include puzzled, uncertain, curious.
Curious means you want to know more about something. Example: I'm curious about other cultures.
This is usually a positive feeling. Now, let's practice using these words in sentences. Positive emotions.
Example: I'm excited about the new movie.
Example: She feels joyful when she listens to music. Negative emotions.
Example: He is mad because the bus was late.
Example: I feel upset when people don't listen to me. How are you feeling? Hi, Alex. How are you feeling today?
Hi, Emma. I'm feeling excited because it's my birthday tomorrow.
That's great. I hope you have a joyful day. Talking about sadness.
Emma, you look upset. What's wrong?
I'm feeling sad because I lost my notebook.
I'm sorry to hear that. I hope you find it soon.
Let's learn some idioms related to emotions. On cloud nine, very happy. Feeling blue, feeling sad. See red, very angry.
Examples: She's on cloud nine after getting her dream job. He was feeling blue after the team lost the match. Otro. That's all for today's lesson on emotions.
We hope you enjoyed learning how to describe your feelings in English.
Don't forget to practice these words and share your favorite emotion in the comments.
Like, share, and subscribe to Speak English Basics for more fun lessons.
See you next time. Bye.